Want to learn how to clear and disable all Facebook activity and its history on Facebook? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So to clear and disable all Facebook activity history, you need to go to Facebook and open up the app just like this. Get logged in just like me. Tap on these three straight horizontal lines on the top right corner. Scroll down. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. Scroll down. Under this permission section, you will get an option of Off Facebook Activity on the bottom. Tap on it. Scroll down. On the bottom, tap on More Options. Tap on Manage Future Activity. Tap on Manage Future Activity on the bottom. So here, you can disable future off Facebook activity by tapping on the sliding bar on the right corner. And you can even see here that keeping your future off Facebook activity saved with your account allows us to personalize your experience. So tap on the sliding bar. And if you really want to turn off it, tap on turn off. So just by doing it, you have disabled future off Facebook activity. Now to delete history, go back and just below manage off Facebook activity, you can see an option of clear history. Tap on clear history. Tap on clear history or cancel. So just by doing it, you have successfully deleted your history as well. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.